How would you like to turn every prospect into a paying client using a proven and powerful technology? Hey, Neil Napier here, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert more prospects into paying clients and finally charge what you are really worth, and do it at scale, and do so without needing to meet anyone face to face, unless of course you really wanted to. With what I have for you today, you can not only sell your services to local clients in your city, but also in other cities, other states, and even other countries. You see, in 2023, doing online marketing and providing it as a service is super easy for anybody because of all the tools you have available. But the problem is, people still do not know how to convert those prospects into clients. The old ways that everyone keeps on doing are no longer working. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with the old way of finding and closing clients. It goes a little bit like this. You get the lead somehow, you call them up and hope to get past the gatekeeper to talk to a decision maker. You call back because they never really returns your call, and finally you set an appointment to meet with them. You print out your proposal, your contract and everything. You drive up to them to meet them in person, and you reschedule because they double booked for some reason or they couldn't meet you. So you drive back again to them in a few days, and you finally talk to them, try to convince them to sign the agreement with you. Then you drive back to your office and fax them a copy of that contract. Wow, what a hassle. You see, this is how the old agencies are still getting deals signed. Soon, our upgraded and streamlined method on this page will increase your profits and decrease your stress and the frustration that comes along with dealing with prospects. So what if we could offer you a way to cut down on the time it takes to get paid? And what if you could cut out all the back and forth and the clutter that comes with the old ways of closing clients? Look, one of the reasons why our upgraded proven way works well is this. With us, you have an advantage. Other agencies out there are still using the old, outdated methods. But now you can go out and reach prospects faster than any other agency, while all these old, slow agencies reach out to 2 people. In a day, you can reach out to 200 people at the same time. The old ways are headed out the door. Everything changes today. After today, you will be able to gather top quality business leads whenever you want to grow your business, any sort of business. And when you have these leads, you can convert them into paying clients with just one click. Now imagine if you could easily and quickly create a personalized proposal video for a client and put this on a proposal page for them to sign. And imagine if you could email this at scale to hundreds of prospects from right inside the same platform and get it signed with the built-in secure tracking. No clutter, no confusion, just clarity and profit in bulk at scale. And you can get it all done in less than 5 minutes. As a matter of fact, we have already done this and collected over $100,000 in payments, in some cases even closing 100% of the proposals that we sent out. This is 2023, and it's time to use a technology that is proven to find leads, connect with them, and then convert them into paying clients, and now do it at scale without leaving the comfort of your home. Introducing VidProposals 2.0. VidProposals allows you to close more deals and make more profit with no technical experience and no trial and error. You don't even need a website to do this. With the included templates and videos, the entire process is nearly automated. Plus, it's easily scalable and will dramatically increase your signed contracts and your bank account. You can get started in 3 simple steps. First, gather your leads, hundreds of them, from any niche, any state, or any country. Pick one of the dozen of our niche and industry-based video proposal templates, or create your own from scratch. Next, you pick your template. We give you 100 from dozens of niches. Then you customize these templates to fit your exact needs, add your images and copy, and of course your video proposal. Finally, at the last step, you hit the send button. You'll be notified whenever one of your prospects opens and signs your professional proposal. Contracts that will pay you today hundreds and thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. In no time, you will close your first deal using VidProposals 2.0. And you can expect lots more, since you are able to connect with prospects at scale with a proven platform that we have upgraded to give you more success than you could imagine. It really is that easy. Now, since these are actual contracts that you and your business will be relying upon, we have included our custom, legally binding e-signature system to ensure that your contracts will actually get you paid. And hey, if you wanted to turn this into a service of any sort, you can do that as well. VidProposals 2.0 comes with a commercial license at no extra charge. Now you can sell your services to any local or online business that is looking for a secure, professional proposal solution. And remember when I told you that the big agencies are still using the old methods? Well, you can always reach out to them and offer them video proposal services so they can fast forward their company to 2023. And of course, you will get paid well every time you do this because of our included commercial license. We know that a great video proposal app is useless without a steady supply of prospects. So we're including our completely new, updated, and custom lead generation app absolutely free. Our new dedicated app will let you generate thousands of leads every week. All these leads combined with VidProposals 2.0 truly have the potential to change your life. Well, I'm sure you see that we have packed a lot into this new version of VidProposals. So here's a quick rundown of what is included with your copy of VidProposals 2.0. With VidProposals 2.0, you can generate hundreds of qualified prospects in any niche, in any place, any country. You can use one of our 100 templates or start from scratch for your proposal. You can upload a video or easily create a proposal video right inside VidProposals using just your camera, your screen, or both. You can add a call to action right inside the video proposal as well. Your prospects will see your video right inside their proposal, not in some third-party app. You can then mail to hundreds of prospects at the same time from right inside this app. You will receive notifications when your client opens and signs your contract. Your clients can put their legally binding e-signature on your contract to seal the deal. You can preserve your proposal since they cannot be deleted once they are signed. You can download the signed contracts as PDFs for your records. You can create thank you pages for follow-up after your clients have signed. You can capture their name, time, date, IP address, and location of the signer. You can see how much you have earned using VidProposals as well. And of course, you can start right away since there are no special skills or experience needed. Now you're probably wondering how you are going to be able to afford a program that does all of this. You may wonder what the monthly fee for something like this would be. Or maybe if I'm going to ask you to pay me a percentage of each contract that you sign and earn from. Well, I'm happy to tell you that there's no monthly fee and I will not take any of your hard-earned profits. I have worked hard to get you a great introductory price that gets you a complete VidProposals 2.0 platform with a brand new lead generation app and allows us to just about cover our costs. At this price, this is an absolute win-win. And as usual, everything on this page is backed up with a rock-solid money-back guarantee. But I have to be honest with you here. You see, hosting all these videos and providing the bandwidth for all the traffic is expensive, not to mention the software support and updates that will be needed. But as an action taker myself, I respect people who are ready to take action themselves. So I'm going to offer this complete app to you at a very, very low price. I hope you understand though, because of the cost involved, we can only keep the price at this low introductory fee for a short period of time. If you are too late, the price will be as much as $197. So if you're ready to be an action taker, then click below this video and join the VidProposals 2.0 team and begin to see your life change today.